Hello and good morning everyone from outside of Universal Orlando Resort. John Marrow's here. Today we're heading into Islands of Adventure. We're going to get some old school fire and ice. I'm going to show you where you can still score some epic Dueling Dragons or Dragon Challenge merchandise. Let's head on inside and check it out. Definitely a bit more fire today, but you know, I'm going to grab some coffee and make my way inside. I'll see you in there. I've made it through Islands of Adventure here to the Lost Continent, where I'll be heading into the Village Potter, where they have that vintage fire and ice, Dueling Dragons, Dragon Challenge merchandise. So let's head on inside and see what's going on. Let's go. As I make my way through the Lost Continent, I feel I should ride Hagrid's if there isn't too long of a wait. So I'll keep you updated on that. If I make it over to Hagrid's, not too long of a wait, I will hop on that and enjoy my time in the former space of Dueling Dragons, or Dragon Challenge. We're heading through the Lost Continent. There is Fire Eater's Grill right here to my left. Ooh, looks like Hagrid's at about a 40-minute wait, so I might skip it. Or maybe I'll wait in line. We'll see. Let's see how we feel. Alright, under the gates of the Lost Continent, we have made it to the Village Potter, for which they have the Fire and Ice Dueling Dragons merchandise. Right out of the gate we can see our Dragons t-shirt here, and they run at about $25. Look at these beautiful figurines. Now myself, I have not ridden Dragon Challenge, but I've heard many up in arms about the change to Hagrid's. As a fan of the Harry Potter series, I feel I can't really weigh in. Ooh, I love these old school t-shirts. These ones running about $24.95. We do have some fire masks here. I do love the figurines. Some snow globes. We do have some How to Train Your Dragon merch as well. Ooh. Love it. Little candle holder. Ooh, and some hoodies with the same classic logo. The hoodies, let's see, run at about $45. And again, these classic Ice and Fire figurines, these are fantastic. How much do these run for? These run for $17.95. Alright. Just outside the exit here at Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, I did decide to go for a ride. It was fantastic.
Well, I think that's enough for today. You should probably head back.
Again, I have not ridden Dueling Dragons, so I cannot give a fair comparison. But if you have, please comment below. Let me know what you think. Is it a better version of what we have now? Is it better than Hagrid's? Let me know in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more theme park updates. And if you are interested in helping me out, head over to patreon.com/imarrowsj. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at imarrowsj. Hoping you're all well. Until next time, see you soon.